So it was just a normal day. I was lying on my sofa relaxing, scrolling through my Facebook. But then something shocking happened. My whole feed was covered with 3D images. And I started scrolling more and more, but the images were not ending. And the only questions that I had in my mind, how do they do that? How? So, as you already guessed, this lesson is dedicated to 3D photos in Facebook. And I guess you want to learn how to create them, right? $5. Of course I was kidding, $500. No, seriously. Let's just get into the tutorial. So, let me actually explain how does this actually work. We are going to use black and white colors to actually tell Facebook which part of the image is actually closer and which part of the image is actually further away. And then Photoshop is going to take these black and white layers, it's going to separate it into different colors, and then it's going to animate them by moving different layers when we scroll. So that's approximately how everything works. And now when you understand what's happening on the background, I'm really good at explaining. Wait, telling me you didn't understand it? That's it, no more tutorials. Okay, that was too dramatic. Let's just continue. So first of all, of course, we need to pick the right image, okay? And you can use your own image to make your old friends say, wow, you look so great, that's so amazing, and so on, blah, 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 you know. And or you can just go to unsplash.com and then you can just search your model and then find some kind of interesting image and practice on this image. So I'm gonna use this image here, and of course I could use some of this, you know, fancy graphic design or artsy images, I would say, or my artworks, but I decided to use just a simple image to show you how you can actually use it on your own images as well, because I think that's much more interesting to do. Let's just go to Photoshop, let's just click create new, and let's make sure width is 1000, height 1250, pixel selected, and resolution 300, color mode RGB color, and let's just click create. And now when we did that, let's take our image and place it inside Photoshop. Let's actually make this bigger so we don't have any empty parts here. Let's just click OK. First of all, let's go to the background and let's delete this. We don't actually need it. It's always there and it's so useless. My neighbor is looking at me from the window. What does he want? Okay, maybe he's surprised that I'm recording myself and talking to myself. He thinks I'm crazy, but yeah, I am crazy. Let's actually make the canvas bigger. Let's go here, click right and select crop tool. And let's actually make this bigger like this and also like this. And before you do that, make sure you have here nothing. So just make sure you click clear so you can actually resize this without any problems. And let's now click OK. So now we actually need to start coloring our image. First of all, let's create a new empty layer. The first thing that we're actually going to color is floor. So we're going to have here gradient, and it's going to be black and white and black gradient. White is going to be here because this is near to us, and black is going to be further away. So, but first of all, we actually need to select this place. So let's just go here, click right, and choose polygon lasso tool. Let's select this, and before you do anything, make sure you have here this selected, and also make sure you have feather 0%. And let's just start. Click once here, boom. And then we click again here, as you can see a line is created, and then we click again, and we just need to go around this floor basically, boom, boom, and let's just click enter. As you can see, selection is created. Good job, guys. I need to make my hair better. I need to look beautifully all the time. Now when we did that, let's actually go here, click right and choose gradient tool. Now we actually need this kind of black and white. You're going to have here black and white gradient. This is just a default gradient that everyone has in Photoshop. You can just go and select this black and white color. Now we just need to create black and white. I just click and drag. As you can see, black and white gradient created, so you just click and drag. And if something doesn't work for it, just make sure you have here opacity 100% and also mode is normal. But the problem is that right now we don't need black color here. I mean, we want it to be dark gray. How can I do that? I have to click and drag, but not stop here, but stop somewhere here. And when I do that, as you can see right now, this is not black, this is dark gray. But this is not dark enough, I would say, so let's just do this again and maybe more. Boom, much better. That guy is still looking at me. What the f does he want? It's really weird. So anyway, so let's go to select and let's go to deselect. We actually need to select the girl. How are we going to do that? First of all, let's turn off this. Let's go here, click right and choose quick selection tool, and with this tool we're going to select the girl. So let's just makes the brush a little bit bigger, and the sample layer selected. And also make sure you create a new layer, okay? And actually just click. Just make sure you have plus here selected when you click, okay? Click, good job. And also here, click. So now we selected the goal. So let's actually turn this on. And now we need to select this color here. These colors are going to show Facebook how far is the object. This color right now, this light gray color, is on the same position as where our person is. That's why we need to color the person the same color. So if I just go here, click right and choose eyedropper tool, go away, click right and choose eyedropper tool, and then I can just click here once, okay? As you can see now, when I did that, I have selected this color. And now make sure you're on empty layer, and now we just need to color the selected area with this color. You can just use hotkey, which is Alt plus backspace, or if you're using Mac, it's going to be Option plus backspace. So Alt or Option plus backspace, boom! How cool is that? Now let's go to select and deselect. Okay. Now we need to do the same with this part here, which is that basket? I don't know how this is called. I'm not sure. But anyway, let's create a new empty layer. Let's go here, click right, and choose here quick selection tool. And let's just select this. Boom, 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 boom. Good job, good job. And also this part, and this as well. And now what we need to do is, again, we just select eyedropper tool. We select this place here, this color, and then we just click Alt or Command plus backspace. Boom. Let's go to select and deselect. As you can see, we have here this green colors left. Let's just take our brush and we can just color with the brush here. So that looks nice. Now we need to do the same with the background. Look guys, that guy is still looking at me, okay? So if you won't see me posting any other videos after this one, that means I'm probably dead, okay? So yeah, you know what happened. Anyway, let's just create a new empty layer right now, and then we need to make this black. So this is the C, I think. Let's just select polygonal lasso tool, and let's just click once. Boom, 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 boom. We just need to make the selection. It doesn't need to be perfect, okay? Nothing is perfect in this world. And now when we do that, let's just click OK, and as you can see, the selection is created. So let's just go here. Just click here. As you can see now, this is totally black. And when this is totally black, okay, if you want to make sure, you can just click here and make sure you have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, which basically means this is totally black. Let's just click OK. And now I just click Alt or Option plus backspace, and boom. So now let's take this layer and let's put it on back. As you can see, this has to be behind everything else. Let's go to select and click deselect. Someone is calling. Hello? Yes? Oh, it's the Lord of Photoshop. You know, just like the Lord of the Rings, but he doesn't need a ring to make people disappear. He can just do it in Photoshop. Really? So you're telling me you can go to learnfromfred.com and then you can start your free trial and get access to many different cool projects and classes for free for a whole month? So you tell me this stuff doesn't exist on YouTube? Oh, that's a unique special artwork. Okay, yeah, maybe I should give it a try. And we need to do the same to the background, to the sky. So we are going to apply gradient to the sky again, and it's going to be something like this gradient. So we'll just select the sky right now. Let's create a new empty layer.
And let's just boom, 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 boom. Let's just boom.
Click enter, so it automatically creates selection after we click enter. And now when we did that, let's go to gradient, boom. So now we just need to create the gradient. So if I just click and drag, so this part actually needs to be darker. So for that we need to start somewhere here and finish here. Yeah, so this part, the sky needs to be darker than the person, okay? So Facebook actually can tell the difference between them. Now when we did that, let's just go to select and deselect and see if everything is fine. We need to color here. So as you can see, it's empty. Let's just take our brush tool and yeah, just start coloring like this. Finally, our depth map is ready. We're just so close to finishing this, okay? Let's turn off all of this. First of all, let's just save this image. Let's go to File, Export, and then Quick Export as PNG. And I'm gonna call this what should I call this? Creepy guy. That's actually weird. There's a girl. I'm gonna call this creepy guy. Anyway, who cares? Creepy guy. Let's save this, and also let's now turn on all of this, and let's actually turn off this. Let's go to File, Export, and quickly export as PNG. So that's very important right now. I have here creepy guy. Now let's we have to call this image the same as we called the previous one. So creepy guy, but also add an underscore and then add depths. So that's how Facebook knows what is the depth, okay? And let's just click save. Ready? Excited? Let's go to Facebook now. I'm gonna go to my profile, and I'm not gonna publish this. I'm gonna publish this, but personal. So private. Let's just click here and let's go photo, video, and let's just creepy guy. I select this. Also, let's select this. So we have to select both of them. Let's click open. And now, let's wait for the magic to happen. Look, it's creating a 3D photo. Look, it's done. Right now, as you can see, we can just move around. Boom, 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 boom. Look how cool is that? Well, as you can see, it still got some problems. So Facebook hasn't made this perfect yet. As you can see, for example, when we move here, we see that there's blurry on the background. Also here, as you can see, if you want to check this how it's going to look on the app, you can just make sure, for example, only me, so that only you see it, and then you can share it, and then you can go to your phone, open it, so you can't see it from desktop, you can only see it from the app, inside the app, okay? Also very important, there are also two other ways which are much easier how you can create this, and I'm also gonna show you that way them as well. So they're actually automated. This one was manual because I want to show you first the manual way, because manual is very important, so you can edit it any way you want to edit it, and then I'm gonna show you automatic ways as well. Guys, that's it today. I will go back to where I came from, and yeah, so see you, bye. What the f is that? I think there were tons of insects. Is there something on me? Nope. Okay, bye.